In today's video, we will be telling you about some of the newest and coolest gadgets which is available on Amazon this year. But before we begin today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, World Technology. So, let's get to the video. Number 1. Lark. Lark is world's first ever self-cleaning water bottle. It gives you power to take pure water with you everywhere you go. Lark is designed to give you pure water in 60 seconds. It uses non-toxic mercury-free UVC LED technology to purify water. You can activate it in such a way that every 2 hours, the bottle keeps your water clean and the bottle stink-free. It is lightweight and thus easy to carry with you. It can keep your water cold for 24 hours and hot water hot for 12 hours. If you are an environmental lover and an eco-friendly person, then go on and buy this because it is indeed one of the best alternative to plastic bottles. Number 2. Dr02 Dash Cam. Oki's Dr02 Dash Cam comes in stealth, low profile, and discreet design. It has 6 elements, 178 wide-angle lens. It is designed for highway width coverage and comes with Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor. The video quality is 1080p HD resolution and has a motion-activated emergency recording feature with loop recording and overwrites unwanted footage automatically. You can activate sharp turns and sudden stop feature on it. Moreover, it is also especially optimized for night driving and low sound. The Dr02 Dash Cam is easy to install, secure, and hassle-free. There is a dual-port USB charger, adding to its many more features. Besides, it has a G sensor, making the dash cam something every one of you should have installed in your car or truck for your own safety, and also because of its many more advanced features. Number 3. Roly Beatmaker Kit. Roly Beatmaker Kit is a gadget every track creators and drummers must own. It comes with a wide range of software tools and building skills for creating tunes and tracks. It is a wireless device and can support iOS, Mac OS 10.13, and Windows 10, and does not support Android. It can produce tracks, dates with the loop block, and you can improve and enhance your finger drumming skills, and you can play hundreds of expressive sounds on it. Moreover, purchasing this comes with a 6-month free subscription on Melodics for helping you to improve your skills more. It is simply an all-in-one package for making beats whenever and wherever your musical idea strikes just at your fingertips. Number 4. FlexCam Opi. FlexCam Opi comes in a deft square-shaped accessory needy, typical camera design. It has a long flexible neck at the top of which the camera module is placed, and the bottom part of it acts as a holder and has the battery pack inside. You can shoot up to 4K videos in 13 megapixel shots with its Sony Exmor RS sensor, and also you can shoot slow motion videos and time-lapse as well. It has a 32GB memory card slot. With the help of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it will let you control the FlexCam from its mobile app, and real-time streaming can be done as well. It can be bended and is designed to stand against wind or waves and can be held easily. It comes with a cute helmet, which is splash-proof and waterproof case. It is flexible and easy to take pictures without the need of additional devices, thus making it your perfect adventure partner to capture every moment. Number 5. Airblock. Airblock is MakeBlock's latest product for STEM education. It comes with 1 core master module and 6 power modules. It is a transformable flying robot made specifically for children. Just with a single touch, it can be assembled and made ready to fly anywhere and anytime. It can take numerous shapes such as amphibians and other shapes for the children to learn easily. Meeting the high standards internationally, Airblock is a globally recognized product for children. And it is perhaps something your children should own for their many child-friendly features and learning features. So, an easy birthday or Christmas present to your child, maybe? Number 6. VU Smart Glass. This is the world's first pair of smart glasses that are designed for everyday use. Designed in a stylish and discreet way, VU Smart Glasses can function as glasses, meaning you can order it as lenses you depend on with or without prescriptions or daily wear sunglasses. It uses integrated technology, and you can carry out multiple tasks like listening to music, via bone conduct receive calls and notifications. You can stay connected to your colleagues since it's hands-free, whether you're on the run or driving, and it's totally safe since it will keep you aware of the other sounds in the background. You can charge it on its case overnight. I guess this smart glass will surely make you feel like Tony Stark, who can control almost everything with just them lying on your nose. Number 7. WT2 Plus AI Real-Time Translator Earbuds. Supporting over 40 languages and 93 accents, these earbuds are the most impartial thing travelers and businessmen should own. It is a built-on cutting-edge technology. It can capture conversations up to 93% accuracy in a hands-free experience. It has 3 comprehensive translator modes. The first is simple mode for translation in a quieter environment, then touch mode for translation in a noisy environment, and speaker mode for translation when only one person is involved. WT2 Plus can support iOS and Android 7.0 and above. It has a wireless Bluetooth connector and can carry out transmission up to 20 feet. Number 8. Fossil Woman's Sport Touchscreen Smartwatch. This woman's touchscreen smartwatch by Fossil is truly one of the coolest and something every woman should own. It has multiple features like music control, Google Pay, GPS, heart rate tracking. Moreover, you can receive notifications on this like alarm clock notifications, app alerts, and calendar alerts. Its design is embedded with multiple time zones, and you can send or receive and check your emails and social media texts on this. It's everything a woman wants. It is a Bluetooth enabled and can support an Android 6.0 and Plus excluding Geo Edition and an iOS 10.0 and Plus. Number 9. Neura Loop Headphones. Neura helped discover the trend of headphones with personalized sound by introducing the Neura Loop headphones. The Neura Loop automatically learns how you hear in about a minute and adapts the sound to deliver a revolutionary experience. It has 16+ hour battery life. It has smart automated on and off feature. With just 10 minutes charge, you can have 2 hours play. You can just dial or tap to adjust to all modes, and you can answer calls on the go with seamless audio quality. It can be connected through Bluetooth, and you can choose whether you want to use it in wired or wireless mode. Neura Loop is perhaps one of the coolest gadgets for any music lover on the go. Number 10. Tilemate. You're pretty much busy and involved in your daily tasks and that you forget where you kept your keys or wallet? Where are your keys? Your wallet? Well, then I guess you might just be the person to be benefited with the new Tilemate, which will guarantee you that you will never lose your valuables again. How? It's simple. Just tie this device around those valuables, pretty much like a modified and more advanced version of a keychain. The ever-versatile Mate has a coverage of 200 feet Bluetooth range with a user-replaceable battery. It is the ultimate versatile finder, and you can attach it to things you don't want to lose like your keys, wallets, phones, and even on your dog. It can be attached easily, and it's a no-fuss way to keep track of your daily stuff. With this device on, whenever you lose any of your stuff, you can just track it with your own Tilemate and get back your lost valuables. Forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell notifications to watch our latest videos and receive more updates about amazing technology.